As a manufacturer or distributor, it can be tough to find and keep great talent. In this video, we'll cover 5 key trends and strategies to help with this challenge. Tech's impact. We continue to see growth in advanced manufacturing roles, like programming robots and maintaining solar panels. We need a skilled workforce to keep up, which leads us to the next trend, the skills gap. M&D companies continue to see a skills shortage among workers. To address this, partner with technical colleges, create career paths within your company, and invest in upskilling your team. Succession planning. A wave of retirees is coming, and it's important to plan ahead. Identify critical skills, create a knowledge transfer program, and establish clear career paths. Competitive compensation. It's no secret, competitive pay attracts top talent. But it's not just about base salary. Look at the whole package: benefits, bonuses, and other perks. Don't forget to communicate the value you offer as an organization. Minimum wage on the rise. Many states are raising minimum wage. Review your compensation structure to avoid pay compression, and use salary structures to ensure fairness within your company while staying competitive in the market. Stay informed to stay ahead. Need more details? Get EisnerAmper's full report on M&D employment and compensation at the link below to build a strong and resilient workforce.